So we're going to talk about Venn diagrams, which are really, really useful things in terms of probability, especially if I have a situation that's kind of hard to read and I draw one myself to try to figure out what's going on. So basically, Venn diagrams are boxes with circles inside of them, and I am going to put numbers of things from events happening in these circles or possibly probabilities. And it's going to help me envision what's actually happening. All right, the big thing is they have an overlapping region in the middle. All right, so they have an overlapping region right here. And that's for when multiple events happen at the same time. And it's not always that I only have two circles. I could have three circles. And if I had three circles, there would be different overlaps. And that little yellow overlap would be when all three things are happening at the same time. Okay. So when I look at these, there's going to be labels on there and stuff like that. We'll deal with that when we start solving some problems. But the overlapping portion is where both events happen or more than one outside the circle, but inside the box. So any of this stuff out here, okay, that is where neither one of the two things is happening. And then the big thing is you'll eventually have to fill stuff in these tables. Inside the box, the total has to be equal to how many total events are, how many total things are in the sample space, or if it's in terms of probability, it has to add up to 1 or it has to add up to 100%. All right, so those are things to keep in mind. These are really easy to deal with when the numbers are all in there, and in this file, the numbers are all going to be in there.